Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the Ruthven Tower developments. Now we're looking at the first phase of Ruthven Towers straight ahead. It was built by the National Housing Trust and it's residential apartments. Now the plan was to build 2, 3, I think maybe 4 phases on this land here that you're looking at. The government owns all this land and they were to build phase 2 of this project over here, which would be 400 units. But it seems as if the NHT is having second thoughts about building phase 2. Now, when phase 1 was built, that building we're looking at there, very nicely done. A lot of discussion was, why is the NHT building luxury apartments? Because these units were more than you could get through the NHT as a loan. So what would happen is the persons who contribute to the trust, and I'm not even sure if you had to contribute to the trust to get these, but it costs more. Let's say you can get 15 million from the NHT through their loan process. These units sold for far more than that. I think it was like 30 million. I don't remember the exact price. So there was a lot of discussion and a lot of investigations were done. A lot of questions were asked about the trust. Why are they building these high-end apartments? Because NHT is supposed to build homes for not those expensive homes. Those are usually done by private developers. So the NHT announced recently, well, they haven't announced officially that they are giving up the project. There is just some talk about, nothing official has been said, but unofficially, or what they're thinking is to use a private developer to build these and not use NHT. So the NHT is going to build 15,000 homes, but these homes are going to be priced towards the lower end. So they plan to build 4,309 2-bedroom solutions priced at an average below 13 million, 7,600 1-bedroom units priced at an average below 10 million, and 3,100 service lots priced below 4 million. So all these units that they're building fall within the range that you can get a loan from NHT. And then the NHT said there are a few legacy projects which we were committed to, and those projects will continue, but we are not taking on any new projects that is outside the policy guideline for low income to lower middle income contributors. So that is why they are assuming that NHT will not continue this development and build phase 2. Now, the land is there, everything is there, so a private contractor could easily do it, form some sort of MOU with the NHT, because I'm not sure if the NHT owns the land or the government owns the land, and easily build these units. But these high-end units, they don't fall within the new guidelines of the NHT based on what they said. So guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. And the NHT had put out a press release about these new units that were being built, and they have in it 400 units at Ruthven 2 in St. Andrew. 400 units at Ruthven 2 in St. Andrew. But it seems as if the NHT is rethinking as to whether they want to build these units, but they can always go another route and a private developer do it. but they probably just wouldn't use NHT funds to build it. So guys, let us know what you think about this project, the Ruthven Towers, and whether NHT should be building these high-end homes or not. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And we will be keeping you up to date on what's going on with this development. Alright guys, have a good day.